Crisis in the public health sector. NAJ seeks urgent meeting with Health Minister to stem exodus of specialist nurses. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onesparkmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, environmentalists react to the government's plan to have Jamaicans separate their waste.
Road fatalities continue to climb.
South St. James MP Derek Hellier downplays concerns that he's losing support in the constituency.
And in the Business Day, frustration over the slow pace in establishing a medical ganja industry.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, do you think Jamaica is moving quickly enough to benefit from medical ganja industry?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package continues right after the break.